Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a truly astonishing story to discuss that has shocked the world. It is a story of Ghanaian footballer, Odardy Lamptey, who recently discovered a heartbreaking truth after 21 years of marriage. Stay tuned as we delve into the details of this incredible tale. Gloria Lamptey and football star Odardy Lamptey got married under Ghana's marriage ordinance on May 28, 1994. Odardy Lamptey's life took an unexpected turn when he found out that his 3 children were not biologically his own after more than 2 decades of marriage. Imagine the emotional turmoil and shock he must have experienced upon learning this devastating truth. It's a situation that raises important questions about trust, relationships, and the impacts of deception. Odardy Lamptey was quite literally dribbled in his personal life, just like he did on the football field. But this time, the dribbling wasn't happening on the pitch, it was happening in his marriage. His own wife, Kia, had managed to keep this secret from him for over 2 decades, leaving him completely blindsided by the revelation. Unraveling the truth through DNA testing. The truth came to light when Lamptey decided to undergo DNA testing after his ex-wife demanded a share of his properties as part of their divorce settlement. The DNA tests confirmed that the children he had raised as his own were not actually biologically related to him. This discovery shattered his world and led him down a path of legal battles and emotional turmoil. The aftermath of this revelation was devastating for Lamptey. His ex-wife not only took his 4-bedroom house but also demanded his 7-bedroom apartment in court. The legal battles that followed were intense, leaving Lamptey struggling both emotionally and financially. He was forced to live in a rented apartment and battled depression for nearly a decade. But Lamptey's story doesn't end there. After years of hardship, he was finally able to recover his 7-bedroom apartment in 2022, which his ex-wife had been living in for quite some time.